Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to LinkedIn events for networking with professionals. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn website. Log into your LinkedIn account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type events into the search bar and press enter. In the search results, locate the tab labeled events and click on it. You will now see a list of upcoming events related to various industries and topics. To find events that interest you, use the filter options available on the left side of the page. You can filter by date, location, and type of event. Once you find an event that catches your eye, click on its title to open the event page. On the event page, take a moment to read the details, including the date, time, and description. If the event suits your interests, look for the Attend button. Click the Attend button to register for the event. After registration, you will have the option to share the event with your connections. Consider inviting your network to enhance your networking opportunities. To view your registered events, return to the main events page. There, you will find a section labeled My Events where all your registered events are listed. Remember to check your email for any updates or reminders about the event. Finally, prepare to engage and network with professionals during the event. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.